Angelina Jolie captivated onlookers at the Maria screening and Q&A event in Beverly Hills, donning an elegant all-white suit that perfectly matched the evening's sophisticated vibe. The 49-year-old actress attended the event to promote her latest film, Maria, directed by Pablo Larraín. The movie delves into the introspective final days of legendary soprano Maria Callas, offering a fresh take on her life and identity away from the spotlight. Set to premiere in select theaters on November 27th, with a Netflix release on December 11th, Maria has already generated buzz thanks to Jolie's portrayal of the iconic diva. During the event, Jolie engaged warmly with fans, taking time to sign autographs and chat. She also revealed that none of her children plan to enter the acting world, emphasizing their preference for privacy. As anticipation builds, Jolie's performance is poised to bring a new dimension to the story of one of opera's most celebrated figures.